Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm a 5th grade teacher. Do your students have butterflies before speaking in class? Sometimes even I do. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Presenter Coach to build confidence and improve your presentation skills. Go to office.com and open your presentation. Click on the Slideshow tab and select Rehearse with Coach. Click Start Rehearsal. Now you can begin practicing. I'll give you a quick example. Today, I'm going to basically tell you about space exploration. You guys probably know that the solar system is made up of several planets. As you can see, you can receive immediate feedback as you present. When you exit the presentation, you get a handy report showing things like pacing, use of filler words, and it even tells you when you're reading the slides word for word. You can rehearse again and again until you or your students feel confident. Presenter Coach is available in PowerPoint for the web. What are you waiting for? Become a pro presenter and try it today.